After taste.
Yeah man, if I consume this man and talking to a girl face man,
Yeah, man,
I'm back. So you know get the number there man. Tell her that from now.
Yeah.
Excuse sir. Should I tell her, excuse sir, get out my face, I'm out think.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Yo. Welcome back, Leverageboss TV. You don't know, say boy Eclips. I will have Gio.
Yeah.
I put him links them in the description. But you don't know, say today now, I have a Jamaican snack review and give an his opinion. So we have what is cheese crunches. I don't know if you can see it, the Jamaican cheese crunches. We have something named tea time. Isn't it? And we have the official spice bun. Bigfoot. And all that one again?
Some Ringo thing.
Ringo. But I don't know if I...
What is onion and cream?
And Jamaica making a butter, Jamaica will buy it, so we're going to try. We say cheese bread already, though?
No.
Cheese bread. We put it in the microwave, so we give it about how much seconds we give?
30 seconds.
30 seconds, so I don't know say well, but alright. And we're going to try them. We just get us sitting for wash it down. Buster fruit punch so alright. Here we go. Which one we going to start first, Gio?
Can't start that one. Either one you got taste good here. I left it for last.
Left that for last.
Fly Bigfoot.
Alright, the Bigfoot. Alright, so we'll start from the Bigfoot. A nice spicy one, a regular one. So a Bigfoot, we'll start from the Bigfoot. You don't know, say, where you say far from? Jamaica?
Yeah, a Jamaica thing. Holidays.
Holidays. Yes,
Jamaica.
Distributed in Jamaica, so yeah. This count. Yo, this. See it, people. Alright, I tried it.
A spicy one, Steve.
Original. Bigfoot. And the first time I consume Bigfoot, you know, but I'm gonna tell you if you're non-Jamaican out there. I'm gonna describe it now. Cheesy. Salty. Not salty, but little, what I say, savory, whatever, no. But it's good. Out of
10, what I get? Eat about 5, 6 this way.
yeah, what may I say about that?
Out of 6.
Yeah, but people go crazy over Bigfoot, you know, but I'm not really, it can go on, but I'm not a Bigfoot type of person. So Bigfoot, what is that, 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
I agree with that one there. So, next one, you pick next one here.
And me pick a Bigfoot now.
Oh, you pick the Bigfoot, okay. So, we're going to up to the time, tea time. Oh, this.
Vanilla flavor that. Yeah.
Oh, the vanilla. Okay. Let's see where I'm going. Flick out one of them, but crush up the rod. Yo. Alright, we'll flick it out same way. Oh, this is, let me see where I'm going. Most of them have them. Cream or whatever, cream biscuit, whatever.
Vanilla is it.
For a cream biscuit, I guess. I can really rate it. One, they can't really go bad with one thing that maybe say maybe too sweet for some people, but
Man, he's a man and a follow up the sweet thing to you, see me?
yeah.
But it go on same, me, man. Other from the sweet,
A biscuit. I don't know if you can go. Me personally, I just get at 8. At 8, and I'm really my thing, but I give the tea time at 8. Where is it? Where I get?
Tell her 8.5. I just the sweets kind of throw it out for me. Because me, I know.
You don't know what's
Them
it?
type of man that follow up the sweets thing.
When I consume them things, they have to need water or some form of juice to wash it down. Alright. So on to the next one. Gia, here you go now.
Cheese, curry cheese, see ya. Excel product, you see me? This way, no want you know. As you see, it's another cheese product again, you see me? So I'll show you what I see what I want.
Cheese, strong cheese. Boy, them snack here,
It's small, anyway. Come look up. Square shape thing, you see me?
Kind of hollow, I guess. I don't know. But yeah.
Can't do really taste one and you want to give me some more.
You say them things you can just pretty up and just eat one, you know.
Chew
but
some in your
can't
hand,
do man, but they don't know anything go.
And see what I'm going.
You can't too overfull because I don't know a review, but just I tell you now you go, you know. That's a leverage. That's it. It have a little, let me say, crackers thing I go on with little cheese, flavoring. Go on. Well, me, I don't know, I'm like it. I tell you. Them pass, them taste good overall. So I just give it a 7 just to say, yo, right there, at that. Where I give him, Joe?
I would give it a 7.5 because I'm not really too like. When you can't even say put too much in your mouth, you know that. But
that, man. When I don't know anything, when I get itchy with that. Yeah.
But when I hold it, man, it kind of. You know that crackers thing that all your teeth and yeah, just that
itch up,
problem.
After weeks, I see some itch up. You don't want that half hour though. You have to rot in the last week.
When you have to drink some water, wash it down to see him way though.
Alright, so the next one.
Every time you know.
Next one, we are got it. We know how this go down. The spice bun. We know it got to work. Is it me? We know it got to work. So we are just getting it. This
I really think that is
good for cuss bombs and get a bun. A cheese, me say sorry. A cheese and then just cuss bombs and mash it up and do the right thing. But you don't know more time in China and you just flick it off like so and just say yo. Yeah man. Bun, you know. Spice bun. I'm not too fancy. The razor bun then still. So this
nothing to do with the raisin, man. I'm not too fancy.
my thing. Just get all the cheese and just squeeze him. Yeah man. Okay. A bun worse than Thai cause bombs and fresh. I give it a solid 9. Maybe a 10 to a spoon.
It's a piece of thing, no.
Spice bun. Yeah man.
Only thing you want right now is a slice of cheese. God no.
That is it. And nothing more. Box off this with any kind of juice or whatever man. Yeah man.
That thing.
You say 9, you say 10. It can't pass. More the something there. Yeah man.
Alright, so my time you know. As I say, we are Eclips last. Post me a see this. We are going on cheese bread.
What you
As I
frying?
say, warm it up one thing, you see me? Melt the cheese with a knife and thing. So 30 seconds and that's it.
This so right. You know, so I never tried that before. Not try some other brand, but a yummy. For you say yummy still, you know. Yummy
Yeah,
never disappoint, you know. Down to them bread, you know. You see me? See cheese in there.
See cheese, you see me? Cheese there.
Watch them man well soft. Yeah, man, cheese. No, this look like it's bad. Try other brand already, but okay. People might get full already because I don't know, so we consume some stuff already, but we just do it for the review, you know, so
Yes, sir.
I'm showing you where I go. But yeah, man.
Oh, then I cheese, so you know when I go finish that water, because it's too dry. But I know that goes still. No, wash no face, though.
See, man, for your cheese bread, I think them can do no better.
7.
7
For me, I would give it a 7. We want more cheese.
Oh, for real,
We
you know,
want
eh?
more cheese. Some more cheese in that body, you see me?
Some more cheese,
What does that amount?
for your taste, I give it a 9-10 for your taste, but one thing it does need a little bit more cheese, but yeah, man, the yummy cheese bread there, but
Yeah, I'm going, man.
no, we never tried this before, we never know when a ring goes holiday. Well, can you say holiday at Jamaica? Yeah.
Let me
This
go
week.
for that, man.
Okay. So, ring goes thing,
Force
we are seat. We don't know how to seat there again. The ring goes. What? Right. Oh, yo, smell this.
The onion.
How it smell like?
Show you how to try this, dog.
We don't know what that smell like. Come on, again, you know. Yo.
I feel like we should have tried this still, you know. What you say?
Well, I do it for the review, you know, so I don't know. We have it, so we make this thing where I go on.
See what I'm going to feed. We try to find the smallest one.
Sacrifice. My taste buds right now.
Some onion ring thing, is it?
Just bust the bag, it have a little taste, because I guess I onion, but it's not too bad. Oh. Yeah, man.
So yeah, we are going to try out that one, you see. See what you must say post calm, you know.
No. You don't know about type of taste. Alright, so the texture for me. But our little stale thing I go on a little bit.
Jesus Christ, and that you're sure.
And it tastes like the typical vinegar and
onion, cream
onion,
thing. Sour
yeah.
cream.
It have that thing that way you live up to the cream and onion thing. And my type of thing.
I tried it first and then work. You know?
Yeah, you know.
After taste.
Yeah, man, if I consume this man and talking on a girl face, man,
Yeah, man,
I'm back.
she
You
run
know,
it,
I
man.
get the number there, man. Tell her that
Excuse.
from now.
Yeah.
Excuse, sir. Should I tell her, excuse, sir, get out my face, I'm out think. Ring goes, I don't know who.
As him said, it kind of have a steelish thing about it. Me I wonder if it's crunchy or a soy.
I will get a bad batch.
I don't know what I want. Something just not add up with that one.
So, ratings, me da give the ring goes here.
4 more piece of 4. Would I give it a 4?
4, 5, 5. But
The aftertaste there and
the texture,
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to get kind of stale.
something
around,
wrong. Me
but-
wonder if I just, as him said, the bag I will get it.
So that. So you can hold the buckle. I'm gonna go some box. So up the what? The Buster fruit punch. You have to wash up that water. You see me? Me got some bombs. Yeah, man. John.
Buster. Wash down the little flavor the card. I think that we are going after taste and a moist.
Hold on, that soda.
Yeah, so what I'm tell you, me is a man that drink soda, but you see just for review. Like,
Me not drink soda, straight
soda
water
and
thing
see that?
or juice.
Everywhere I go, man, water.
Yeah, man. And them not sponsor we yet, so make sure.
Yeah.
Water we drink,
Right.
man. Water. You see me?
But yeah, Buster fever.
I guess it's have a little artificial thing I go on still. artificial thing. So me and a soda person, but we review the soda too. So yeah, out of soda's perspective, 7. 7. My taste a little artificial flavor. Very. What you say, Gio? How you get?
I say that one ain't no sweet, you know, I wonder if I water down. But that one ain't no sweet, you see, as I say, I know the soda type, so I don't really know them things are going, you see me, but can go on, man. Can go on, but I give it about a 8 or so. But, because that one ain't no sweet, and I don't like sweet, you see me, so, yeah, that one can go on, man. A 7.5 or a 8, right, so.
So, I guess you know, Leverage Nation, I don't know, say yo, that. Review the snacks them. First one, we have many more to forward for the snacks them, you know. So, that. Gio link in social like there on the screen or in the description. You know, Instagram. Why Instagram
it's Gio for all our socials, it's Gio work with him, but as him said in the description. So
yeah,
just
man.
go there so and you find me. It's Gio for all platforms.
Yeah, man. So you don't know, so that's a leverage. So remember, always remember to like, comment, and share and subscribe. You don't know anything, go leverage. That.